Hi, I'm Brad Mendelson, and I'm going to read you a story. As soon as I get out of this rain. What do you like to do when it's raining outside? Do you stay indoors and watch television? Or color pictures in a coloring book? Or do you go outside and splash in the rain puddles? Well, the book we're going to read today is about a young man who was exploring many different ways to have fun during a rainstorm. Otto's Rainy Day, written by Natasha Yim, illustrated by Pamela R. Levy. It was a wet and rainy day. Otto liked the rain. He liked listening to the sound of the raindrops. He liked to run through mud puddles. He liked to splash little ants on the pavement. He liked to stick out his tongue and taste the rain. Otto put on his yellow raincoat. He put on his red rain boots.
"Where are you going?" asked his mother.
"I'm going out to play in the rain," said Otto. Otto's mother shook her head. "Otto, you have to play inside today. Mommy has some work to do for the office. I can't go outside with you, and I don't want you out there by yourself." "I want to go outside and play," Otto declared crossly. He sat on the bottom stair with a big frown on his face. "Otto," his mother replied, "please don't sit there and pout. You can't play outside in the rain today. You'll have to find something else to do." Otto decided to slide down the banister. He was a fireman sliding down the pole. He had to put out a blazing fire. But Otto slid into the umbrella stand at the bottom of the stairs. The stand fell over, scattering umbrellas everywhere. "Otto," his mother called from the next room, "don't slide down the banister. Pick up those umbrellas and go play somewhere else." Otto climbed up on his mother's new green curtains. He started to swing himself back and forth. "Whee! Look at me! I'm a monkey in a tree," Otto yelled. He was in a jungle, swinging from vine to vine. Bam! The curtains came crashing down, and Otto found himself on the floor with his feet in the air. "Otto!" cried his mother. "Please stop making noise. Go play somewhere else." Otto jumped onto the living room sofa. He jumped up on the arms. He jumped onto the cushions. He was a circus acrobat doing great stunts on a trampoline. Otto jumped higher and higher. Suddenly, Otto bounced high up into the air. He landed on the seat of his pants on the floor. The cushions lay all around him. He had jumped too hard. "Now what?" Otto's mother exclaimed in frustration. "Otto, for the last time, Mommy is trying to get some work done. Put the cushions back on the couch and find something else to do before you break something or hurt yourself." Otto went into the kitchen. He knew his mother was angry with him. He had crashed into the umbrella stand, pulled down the new green curtains, and messed up the sofa cushions. I know, Otto thought excitedly. I'll bake a cake for Mommy. A great big chocolate cake. Mommy likes chocolate. Otto had seen his mother bake a cake many times before. It didn't look that hard, he said to himself. Otto was a famous chef with a big white hat. He was baking the most mouth-watering, scrumptious cake in the world. He put some eggs, sugar, and flour into a bowl and stirred everything together with a big wooden spoon.
Cake batter splattered on the table. Cake batter splattered on the walls. Cake batter splattered all over Otto's face.
There was now more cake batter outside the bowl than in it. Otto, look at my kitchen. Can't you stay out of trouble? His mother cried angrily as she saw what Otto had done. I was trying to bake you a chocolate cake, but, Otto said sadly, his lip quivering. I'm sorry I made a mess and made you mad at me. Otto began to cry. I just wanted to play in the rain. Otto's mother sighed. She glanced at the dining room table where her papers were all spread out. She looked out the window at the raindrops falling on the grass and the trees. She looked at her son, who had tried to bake her a chocolate cake. Otto's mother gave one last look at her pile of papers. Then she bent down and gave Otto a big hug. You know, honey, you're right. It's so much more fun to play in the rain. Let's clean up the kitchen, and then let's put on our yellow raincoats, let's put on our red rain boots, and let's go outside and play in the rain. Otto ran outside with his mother. They ran through mud puddles. They splashed little ants on the pavement. They stuck out their tongues and tasted the rain. Otto liked rainy days.